How's it going, everyone? My name's InQuad from QuadSpeed, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off backlit keys on Samsung devices. So for the most part, Samsung smartphones have always had backlit keys, and although they do provide really good functionality, they're on when you need them and they turn off when you don't, those taps do eventually add up and could be a drain to your battery to some extent. So to turn off the backlit keys, you're going to want to go to the Play Store, and you're going to want to look for this app called Galaxy Button Lights 2. It has a 4.8 rating because it just simply works. So we're going to go ahead and open the app, and you're greeted with this pretty basic screen. Everything you're going to need is going to be right on this screen here. Right now it's set to default, that's just what the phone comes with, 1.5 second delay. And we're going to go ahead and set it to always on. So by doing this, it does not turn off the backlit keys no matter what, so it's always going to be on until I turn off or lock my phone. So we're going to go back to the app, and now we're going to hit always off. And by hitting always off plus save, it just does that. The buttons are all off now and they won't turn on no matter what. I like to keep it this way because personally I don't like the lights shining every time. Say if I'm using my phone in the dark or something, the lights just distract me a lot at the bottom, and it's really nice not to have the lights on all the time. They still vibrate and give you that tactile feel, but they're not always on, which is a great thing for me because I don't like that little distraction. You can also set a custom timer if you like. You can change the delay to 7 seconds, 4 seconds, whatever you like. Just remember to hit save because it does not affect anything if you don't hit that button. Also, if you notice over here, this app does not work if you have power saver mode turned on, because by default power saver mode turns off your backlit keys, and it also turns off the vibrations just to save the power. I personally like this app standalone because it lets me have my phone at full power but still save battery where I need it to, such as the backlit keys, which I don't really need on all the time. I really like this app because not only does it save you a bit of battery in the long run by turning off the backlit keys. Say you're using your phone at night and you're gonna have your brightness turned down. So when you have your brightness turned down, you think you're good, but what about your backlit keys? What if those are still on? Those are still gonna be in your face. Say if you're in bed or something and using your phone. So by using this, you're not going to have that annoying bright white light staring at your face. That way you can still use your phone without being blinded by these really bright keys. And I think that's a huge advantage for anybody. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please do leave a like and hit that subscribe button, as it does help me out a great deal. Take it easy, everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.